Having a healthy hair is one, and maintaining a healthy hair is another. Hi, beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the ingredients you can use to make your very own hair growth spray right there at home. Now, first things first, I have a fenugreek. The fed seeds I put, they are called fenugreek, or you can go ahead and call them methyl seeds. And for the second ingredient, which is called baobab fruit, it's actually edible. You can take it as it is. It has seed inside. And for the third ingredient, we are using hibiscus, some leaves of hibiscus. Go ahead and add your three ingredients into a jar, as well add the hot water. Go ahead and close it up and let it sit for at least an hour. You can actually leave it overnight. Regardless, it's going to give you something good that you can use for your hair. Now, I left mine overnight, so this is what it looks like the next day, and I'm going to go ahead and strain it so as to use the water for my hair. And of course, you might want to go on to blend this extract. If you blend this extract with some water, you can go ahead and still add it to your deep conditioner, but that is a video for another day. So this is the extract of what we have here, and it contains three ingredients, which are fenugreek, baobab, and hibiscus. So I'm going to go ahead and explain the benefits of this herb to the hair. First things first is fenugreek, which can also be called methyl seed. It is known to be very good for the hair because it's rich in proteins and nicotinic acid, which promotes hair growth by strengthening hair follicles and stimulating blood circulation to the scalp. Research suggests that fenugreek seeds contain compounds that may help prolong the hair growth phase, leading to longer and thicker hair strands. Other uses of fenugreek for hair are that it nourishes and soothes the scalp with its high content of vitamins and minerals. It provides essential nutrients to the scalp, nourishing of hair follicles and promoting healthy scalp. Studies have also shown that fenugreek seed possess moisturizing properties, which helps to alleviate dryness and itching. It also helps to prevent hair loss because it contains compounds like lecithin, which strengthens hair roots and prevents hair loss. Additionally, fenugreek seeds have been found to inhibit the activity of 5-alpha reductase, an enzyme associated with hair loss, helping maintain hair density and reduce hair fall. Now, the next ingredient there is BAB, which contains vitamin A, and it encourages healthy sebum production in the scalp, reducing dryness and promoting hair growth. Vitamin C is also amongst the vitamins in baobab, and it has potent antioxidant that protects hair follicles from oxidative stress and promotes collagen formation, which is essential for the strength of your hair. It also contains vitamin E, which increases blood circulation in the scalp, promoting hair development and prevents hair loss. It also aids in hair moisture balance. Vitamin D is among the vitamins that baobab contains, and it promotes the growth of new hair follicles, which can boost hair density. Also, vitamin K is amongst the content, and it promotes good hair growth and scalp health. It also contains minerals, and amongst the minerals is calcium, which is very necessary for the strength and integrity of hair strands. It contains potassium, which helps to keep hair hydrated and prevent dryness. Magnesium, which lowers collagen buildup on the scalp, which can lead to dandruff and hair loss. Iron is also essential for preventing hair loss, as iron deficiency can cause hair thinning. Now, these and a whole lot more, including omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9 fatty acid, are the content of baobab fruit which is very, very good and essential for the growth and health of your hair. And for our third ingredient, we have hibiscus. Hibiscus is loaded with various beneficial ingredients that help to stop hair loss and prevent baldness. It is loaded with vitamin C, flavonoids, amino acid, mucilate fiber, and antioxidants. Extracts of hibiscus leaves and flowers nourishes our hair, promotes hair growth, and provide a soft and silky texture. Now, this is one of the reasons why hibiscus is one of my favorite Ayurveda herbs, because of how amazing it is for the hair. With this, your hair is packed with lots of amazing vitamins for the health of your hair. Using these 3 ingredients separately or together is very beneficial for your hair. You might want to try it, or you can go ahead and suggest this video to someone who you think needs this. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.